Hello and welcome to the West Forsyth 2223 parking application. So this video is just a little tutorial to help you navigate some of the pitfalls that we often see as students are applying for parking for the first time. And so here you'll see that I am currently logged in to ClassLink. I am also logged in to this Chrome browser. So you can see my photo here and that I'm logged into my forsythk12.org account. And so what I would suggest first and foremost is to simply open up a new incognito window within Chrome. One of the pitfalls that we often see is that students will open up ClassLink, but there may be another family member who is logged into Chrome. And so you can't be in two different Google accounts at one time. And so often that is going to produce an error message, or that you're unable to launch a file or save a file. So I would suggest you simply come up to the top of your browser window, click the three little dots there in Chrome, and pull down and open up a new incognito window. So this gives us a blank slate. We're not logged into anything. We're not saving any data or trying to transfer that over to a different account. I'm going to go into It's Learning through our school website and log in to my account. So now you'll see that I am currently logged in, and I'm logged in actually to one of our student accounts. And so I'm going to click on It's Learning. Within this It's Learning window, I am going to click into the West Forsyth High School student group. And from the student group, I'm going to go to Resources and the Parking Application. The parking application is linked here. Now, if the student has connected their Microsoft account to It's Learning, you will see the form, the application form, already visible. So it actually will look like this. So if they have connected their account. So if they have not connected their account, they'll want to come over to the settings here, go to your settings, and click Connected Accounts. And so here you would see that their Google account and their Microsoft account are both connected to It's Learning. So you always want to make sure that we have both accounts connected, and then that will display the application within It's Learning. If for any reason it doesn't load within It's Learning, the link is also posted at the top of the page, and that will launch the application in a new window. So once you start the application, you'll see where it asks that you print a copy of the application checklist, which is linked below, as you'll need to provide a signed and dated copy of the parent-student agreement, which is page 4 of the application checklist. So I will click that link, and that will take me to this application checklist. You may wish to print this out, and as it stated, you're going to need a copy of page 4, which is your parent-student agreement. And so you'll want to print that, have your student and parent sign the parent-student agreement, as that will be uploaded later when we return to the application. So once you've read through the application checklist, you'll come back to the application, and you can complete this application within this window. I've just put some kind of dummy answers here to kind of show you what it looks like. And you'll come through, you'll enter all of your information, and then here is where you will want to upload your files for the signed parent agreement. The student's driver's license must be a valid Class C or D driver's license. If you only have a learner's permit at this time, you're not eligible for parking. You must have your valid driver's license before you apply for parking. Don't fret, there are plenty of parking spaces. We have yet to run out of parking for our juniors and our seniors, so you'll be fine. You can actually apply for parking at any time during the year once you have earned your license. You'll also upload your valid insurance and registration for your vehicle and enter the dates there for expiration. And so this is pretty much what you're going to see in our application. You'll also get an acknowledgement once the application is complete. so that you'll know that you have submitted everything. I'm just going to choose some real random things here to upload. So I'm going to upload Parker. I will upload some things here for just to show you, give you some examples. I'll just keep uploading that Parker file. I'm going to upload all of those things. And I will put a date here and a date here. Go to next, and you'll see that you have another page in the application if there is an alternate vehicle. Oh, I was about to say it's not letting me go. I will upload this Parker file one more time. Now I can go to the final page. If you don't have an alternate vehicle, you can check here to send an email response of your answers to the form. And I'm going to submit. You'll get this confirmation. You can also print or get a PDF of your answers. And if you have another student, you can link back to the application. Once students have completed the application, they'll want to go back into their It's Learning, check their Microsoft account, and you should see that message within Microsoft Outlook that your application has been received. You'll wait then for another email to come from our bookkeeper, who will assign the parking application fee closer to Wolverine Days, which will be in July. I hope this will help with some of the pitfalls we see with our application, and if you have further questions, please direct them to Brett Phipps, Mary Friday, or myself. I'm Kim Dutton. I'm the media specialist here at West. Thanks, and have a great day.